This is a beautiful 1933 Olds F33 Sport Coupe with a rumble seat. There are only 6 of these still in existence. And moreover, of the entire 1933 Olds production, there are only 12 known to exist at this point. So this is truly a rare car. Beautiful upholstery, beautiful two-tone blue paint. Who said they weren't making pretty cars back in the 30s? Big wide white walls, artillery wheels. And in a minute we're going to look in the interior here, and we're going to see more of the specifics about this car. It has a 221 cubic inch 6-cylinder. .80 horsepower. And here we have the specifics of the car. I think it's amazing that this is one of 6 that still survive. And notice the machine gun, which is typical of the period. As I say, it was a very expensive car for the time. There are the pads to step into the rumble seat. Notice the extensive wood grain there on the dash. This is a high-class automobile. And there's the 6-cylinder engine. And of course this is produced in the heart of the Depression, so there were some people out there that had money that could buy a car like this. But, as you say, not many.